This is the vocabulary section, and you've just listened to this story or the text, and these are some of the words that were highlighted in the text. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to uh, read the sentence. If you need to listen to it, that's fine, and see if you can think in your head what these words might mean. So I want you to push pause and do that for a minute. And when you are done, unpause and we will go through these and see if your thinking is correct. So this first one says, the storm will alter the park if many trees fall. Now in my head, I'm thinking, well, if the trees are falling, it's not going to look the same. So maybe there's some changes that will happen. Um, think about some of the storms that we have had here. Lately, we've had a lot of rainstorms and things like that. Maybe it's something with the weather, the snow. Um, I want you to double click on here and you can type your answer right here. Click add and then move on to the next one. Collapse. Floodwaters caused the bridge to collapse. I'm thinking if it's going to collapse, it's going to cave in or fall. I want you to think about something that might make a tent collapse. Maybe you've gone camping with someone in your family and your tent has collapsed. Maybe it hasn't. What would you think would make your tent collapse? Rescue workers help during an emergency or crisis such as a flood. Earlier this year, you might remember some of the dams broke over by Midland. That would have been considered a crisis. What is something you can think of that would be a crisis? Um, I want you to go through each one of these and see if you can figure it out. And then we will chat when you are back in class next, and we'll see how we did on that.